Greetings. So first off, excuse the mess, but this video is going to attempt to settle a big question in the fire alarm community of what is the loudest AC fire alarm horn. So here I have a lot of the more common alarms, and well, this is only going to be low voltage AC because high voltage AC normally was not used in fire alarms. And I am excluding stuff such as projector horns. This is only just standalone or flush mount horns. So, starting off, we're going to have Simplex 4050, then Simplex 4040, flush mount 4040, then here is a Federal explosion proof horn, Edwards Adaptahorn, 411F, and a 411. So, yeah. We are gonna do decibel measurings from 3 feet away, and as you can see, there is my proof. There is the decibel meter, which I will show in the bottom corner of the screen. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin.